Hello, guys! There's her friend, Shane. Then, what is your name?
You know me in YouTube. You know me in YouTube, guys.
There is Just. And there they are because they are playing. And then, I have a prize on them because I ate it. I ate them. Where did you go? I have a challenge. Okay. Can you call your sister?
Ang tubig. Yes! Yes, tawag ka!
Hey, come here! There she are. Come here. I have a challenge on you. If you get a answer correctly, you have a biscuit.
Ate Sam na yun.
I punched it. Okay, you're first. Jane. What is the color of the sky today?
Blue.
Sure, you sure? Yeah,
Sky blue.
it's blue.
Sky
Yeah,
blue?
Sky blue. Can you take a bite on your chocolate chow? Second. Okay, I have a question for you. If you get correctly, we have a prize, a bang bang. And shout out.
Kamo.
And then,
Pero, ayaw mag-big bite sa amon pagkaon ha. Amon bala na. Amon lagi ko aday nanay.
what's that? Tambasakan.
It's
Okay, yes. What is the color of the motorcycle on your back?
orange.
Okay. You can take a bite, a bang bang.
What? Hambal niya sa kagain na ayat si Saab. Hambal niya na guys, hambal niya just kagain na nagamba ko kay ati Obrena. Naagi pangalian ka Obre. Kag nagamba lang siya. Ambot. Kag nagamba lang daw siya. Kay ganahan siya bingbing. Kadlawod sila.
Yes, I have a big question of you. Why are you pangag?
Because ay mga hunga may ngipin-ngipin.
Oh, you can take it.
Because Jin.
Hey, you can take that one.
Because Jin sipa my face and my teeth just
Fall out. Okay. And how about you? Where are you losing teeth?
Because atong gabi wala pa nagabit si mama nasangit akong nipot iyang dress dahil na itong pagliyo ko lang daw may nabilo ko sakit
And then it's gonna fall out.
oo galihok siya kagabi ang dugo
Can I have some?
Dapat
Just take a bite.
nagungagod ang ipon niya yan. Diba nakita natin yung pagtanggal sa ngipon?
Nagtabog.
Nawala ako nakakita.
Bye na.